Hi, this is Marcia, and today we're talking about Canva Whiteboard. Hi, everybody. We're talking about AI tools that can be used for class projects. We're talking about projects, choice boards, and project-based learning opportunities for the students, and we're going to talk about AI tools to help them along the way. The next tool that we're going to be talking about is Canva. I know, you're like, oh, Marcia, I already know about Canva. I know they have presentation tools. But what I'm going to focus in about today is talking about their project planning templates that you can find right inside of the whiteboard. Now, Canva has come a long way, and AI is built right inside of it. Their Magic Write is built right into Canva. So everything that the students can be typing and writing can be checked through and enhanced by Magic Write. So what I went into first was I went into the whiteboard template. And in here I can have like a whiteboard for the students where they can go in and assign who's in charge of what aspect of the project. So I had Post-it notes, I had a to-do list. Now what I'm showcasing is what I call an agile workflow board. Well, I don't call it that. It is what it's called. It's called an agile work board. And it literally will say, where are we? What are we doing? Or what are we working on next? And even if they accomplish something. So that whiteboard has that feature that allows the students to go in and say the different projects and who's going to be assigned those tasks. Now what I did next was I jumped right on over and I went into their presentation tools. Canva has so many great presentation tools that the students can use, and it is easy for them to go in and manipulate, share, and collaborate together through these different templates. So again, the AI piece of it is that the students while writing have that Magic Write tool and option to enhance their project. So when we're deploying projects, it's really important that you are authenticating the learning. And that's why when we're looking at those different tools, if we put all these tools together, we're going to see their to-do list, we're going to hear their thoughts, and then we're going to also see the process and end product. So Canva, great tool to go to, but also take a look at that whiteboard feature. I know your students are going to really like that planning process.